What's good, y'all? Today I'm gonna do a video dedicated just to my exhaust. I've been getting a couple messages on Instagram. Exhaust I have is the Flowmaster Super 10. I get a lot of comments about what exhaust do I have? Do I have a muffler delete? The Flowmaster Super 10 is what I have. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick startup and some revs, and then we're gonna go on a drive, see how you hear it in the cabin. Windows down, windows up, sport mode and regular mode, so you can see the difference. All right, let's get a quick startup. So this is normal drive mode of how the Super 10 would sound. The reason I got it because I did a lot of YouTube video. I did a lot of searching on YouTube for the Super 10 to see what the best exhaust was available for this car, and to me this sounded the best. Because one reason being, if you don't want it loud, it won't be loud. You know, you can actually cruise and it'll give you just a deep tone, and when you want to hear it, you can hear it. You step on it, you'll hear it. So this is normal drive mode, you know, just cruising at 40. Now the shifts, when you shift with it, normal drive mode, I don't know if you guys can hear it. Crazy. Sometimes, man, it gives you this, it gives you this nice little cracking, give you these nice little cracks and pops, but it doesn't do it all the time. So here's a quick downshift to the light. Oh, love it, man. It sounds so good. Or you could just a little gas and you barely hear it. So that's what I like about it, because sometimes for long trips, you know, you got other people in the car, you don't want to hear it all the time. So that was the reason I went with this. Now I've had the Flowmaster for 3 years, so it's gotten louder over the years. When I first had it, it was not that loud. I'm gonna say after about 6 months is when it got louder. And I'm in upstate New York, so the snow and the salt rusted it out a little bit, and it got even louder. So it hasn't changed since then. So it's been this normal tone and volume for like the last year and a half, I would say. But it sounds good, man. I like it. It's 70 bucks. Cost me 120 to get it put on. Amazon has it. You can go right to Flowmaster and grab it. Just make sure you have it for the you get it for the 3.6. I think it's like 2.5 in, 2 out. Don't quote me on that. I'll find out the exact numbers for y'all in a second. But all right, so let's hear it in sport mode, because in sport mode it kicks you down a couple gears than regular drive mode. So we're gonna put it in sport. You'll hear a long rev on 5th gear or 4th gear. man, I don't know if y'all can hear those pops, but they sound good, man. Those pops are crazy. Sometimes I can get it to, I can make it pop on my own depending on how cold and how warm the car is. Let's see if I can make it do it. They're subtle though. They're real subtle. It's doing it, but it's subtle. Now that's 4th gear, half throttle, and it sounds like that. So that's how I pull up when I see other little cars with nice little mufflers. That's what I do. I go down to like 15 miles an hour, downshift to 1, and it's super loud. So it crackles and pops a little bit, especially on the outside. You can't hear it too much from the inside, but when you pulling up to a car and you do that, oh man, they turn their neck so fast to see what's driving by. I see I'm looking fresh, man. My boy T, man, hooked me up, man. Tyson, man, our barber loft, man. Go check him out if you in Rochester or New York, Syracuse, wherever in the surrounding areas, man. Barber loft on Loud, man. Tyson Cotton, check him out, man. Best barber out here, man. But I'm gonna give y'all one more pull, let this car get some room. I'm gonna do a pull from 3rd gear at Star. Don't get it twisted now. This car is quick. That was a quick 70. The whole car. It's well worth it, man. Well worth the $70 or the $190 that you're gonna pay for the shipping, the part, and the installation. So, but 190 bucks, or I think I paid 185 total. I can't remember exactly what they charged me, but I think it was like around 180 total. You can't beat that, man. For a better. See, I don't know if you heard it, but there was a crackle and pops. So in 3rd gear, between 27 and like 30 miles an hour, you can get it to crackle and pop. See, it's not doing it now. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching this video, man. Make sure to stay tuned to the upcoming videos we got, because we got a lot of content coming, man. Y'all know, for those who don't know, actually, I'm working with my boy Shane at the Marina dealership, man. So he helping me getting these car reviews put out here on the channel, man. I'm helping him. I'm trying to help him get his you know, get his customer base up, even though he don't really need me, but you know, he's a great salesman. He has a lot of business, so, but you know, he helping me and I'm trying to help him out even more. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. So, and remember, man, Mopar, no car, baby. We out.